today to go over some freezing corn, sweet corn. I got 2 dozen free sweet corn, and I was going to go over real quick on how I get that prepared for freezing and some of the tips that I've learned I want to pass on to you. First of all, over here's some fresh corn. I'm going to save those out. We're going to roast later. These have been in here for about 3 minutes. I'm going to pull them out. I put them on a big pan so that they can cool. Okay, and I won't waste the time with that. Next, we go over to the pan that's cooling. And one of the tips that I learned from my grandmother was there's 2 sides of the corn, a big side and a small side. And when you get ready to cut your corn off the cob, you do not start with the little end, you start with the big side. And I'll show you the difference, why it makes that much more easy. You start with the little side and you try to cut towards the big, it's more difficult to keep your knife close to the cob, and so you lose some of the corn up here. If you switch it the other way and go from the big side, keeping your knife close, it's just easier to get all the corn off of there. Not saying that you can't do it the other way, just saying it makes it easier, and we're all about easy. Once I got it cut off of there, I'm putting about 4 cobs per bag of corn ready to freeze. Squeeze as much air out as I can, and it lays pretty flat, so it's ready to freeze, and then it'll be on to the freeze dryer.